Hello parents, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the orientation class by EAD. I am Asra and I am one of the teachers from EAD, and I am here to guide you about the different programs run by EAD. So let's start. What is EAD? EAD is an early age development. So that's why we cater the students or children's among the age from 3 to 5 mostly, but the children from the age 2.5 to 6 can also join our programs, and you all know how important these early years are for the development of any human being. We at EAD promote practical project based learning and activity game based learning. Basically, our aim is to provide a learning in a fun way, which is very costly at any school level, well, but it is very important for the development of your child. We at EAD believes and our curriculum is designed in a way that we have one project, 2 to 3 maths game, 2 personal development activities, 1 creative challenge, and 1 science experiment per month. So let me guide you in details about all these. So let's start with project. Project is the main part of our curriculum, and it's any topic covered in a fun learning way. So for example, and we have divided our projects into 4 parts. Like number 1 is brainstorming. In brainstorming, we will ask child or kids about their knowledge about the particular project or particular topic, such as transport, ocean, food, farm, etc., etc., and will ask them questions to enhance their critical thinking and encourages them to think about the particular topic. And then the number 2 part of the project is planning and design. In this part, we will give further knowledge to the children about our topic, and we will plan and design our project into 2D or a simple layout. For example, what kinds of animals lives on the farm, what did they eat, what are their habitats, and what we got from the farm, etc. Now the third part is the presentation, in which the kids will present us their knowledge and what did they learn throughout the project. And we also have the other part, which is creating and presenting. In some projects, like in transport, and in transport the kids made their cars from the different recycled materials, and in ocean project they made their own mini ocean at home with the water and different water animals. Now the second part of our project is activity based learning, in which we will work on child's fine and gross motor skills, and we have designed the activities which also covers our English and math subjects. Like for example, for fine motor skills, we have tray searching activity, in which we have a tray and we have stick some words or alphabets, whatever your child's, depends upon the age of your child. If your child is 2.5 or 2.5 to 3.5, he doesn't know how to read, but he can recognize and know about some alphabets and phonics. So we will write that on the tray or a stick of paper, and then we will cover the tray with anything, with the small toys, beans, we have lentils, we have anything, and then we will ask child to search it with the finger and tell us what did he see. So it's a fun learning way of the English. And in for the maths activity, for fine, we have a bottle knockdown. So we have the bottles, and then we have numbers on it, and we'll ask the child to throw the ball on the bottles, and the bottles fall, and then in this way we will learn the addition or subtraction, and basically subtraction. So, and for the gross motor skills, we have different activities like jumping on the rings, and the child will jump or hop like in rabbit or a frog, and we have to throw the ball in the particular basket, or balance beam, where we have to create an environment, and that we stick the tape, masking tape on the floor, and ask the child to walk on the tape only, and in this way he can learn different shapes or numbers as well. So this is for our the different projects. For this we also work on child's personal development. For that, we have designed an activity such as mood meter, and in that, the child will draw it with you. You can help him, and we have different criteria. We have drawn a semicircle, and in that we have happy, sad, angry, portions, and then we have a stick and arrow and ask the child to regulate his moods. Okay, how and a whole day what was his mood, and he was more towards the happy side or the sad side, and what were the reasons. And so it's called a self-regulatory activity. And for that, another activity for that is that story making activity, that any project, any his favorite things, and when we'll ask child to write and tell us a story about anything, so it will increase the creative thinking. And it's also the story, and when he design a story, so it will also enhance its moral values as well. Then we have the science experiment, in which we will do the experiment of such as float and sink. We have asked the child to bring small objects from around the house, whatever he likes, and then we will see which objects are floating and which are sinking, and then we will tell him about or guide him about the phenomena behind these sinking, and how the ship sails in the oceans. So, and the next part is our creative challenge. In creative challenge, we will try to include some nature and art and craft activity. And for example, we will ask the child to gather some leaves and flowers from the garden and paste it and make it a tree or whatever he likes. So it will enhance his critical thinking. Then we have the art and craft from all the recycling materials we have. So it's a complete package, and it's a very fun thing to learn.